The promo convoy for My Love Will Make You Disappear has started, and lead actors Kim Chiu and Paolo Avellino are all set to make rounds on air, on ground, and online. Before the official poster reveal and fan meet Wednesday night, Avellino and Chiu guested on ASAP and serenaded the viewers. Fans noticed a slightly candid, fun, and more relaxed Avellino during their performances. One instance was when Avellino pouted his lips as if teasing Chiu for a kiss on the lips. "Sinabihan kasi ako before na maging masaya," said Avellino. But whatever and however Avellino is acting now, Chiu seems to like it. "Mas gusto ko tung Paolo Avellino era, 2.0, 3.0 tignan mo naman yung poster namin, paano mo naman siya mapapaganyan? Hindi talaga siya naggugoofy, as in sobrang serious face talaga siya. Ngayon pwede na siyang mag-heart sign, kaya isa talaga tong big step sa kanya." During the official poster reveal, eagle-eyed Kim Pao fans were quick to notice that Avellino was credited as one of the executive producers of the film, next to ABS-CBN President and CEO Carlo Katigbak and ABS-CBN Films head Chris Gazmen. Avellino said he and Chiu are excited to tour the country and go overseas to promote their first movie team-up. For US, parang hindi pa rin tapos yung pelikula dahil simula ng second phase ng paggawa ng pelikula is promoting. "So we'll be promoting non-stop for 3 months, and I'm excited to meet the people, all around the country and abroad," said Avellino. February 12 was the original playdate of their movie but was moved to March 26. The fan meet was organized for the fans to still enjoy the supposed original playdate, especially those who flew in from the provinces and overseas.